Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to a new video on Bluzelle, which I haven't covered in a while. It's been bearish for the last couple of weeks, basically since the 20th of September, which was expected. At some point of time, it was expected that Bluzelle would get into a massive downtrend, and what's always possible. I mean, the thing is, so to quickly introduce the situation. Bluzelle was very manipulated, high funding rates, etc. All this time. So basically starting the beginning of August was very bullish right here, right here. And then stopped right here about a month and a week after the start of the manipulation. And then it started to be bearish. It was manipulated 100%. You could have seen it then with the volume, etc. But the thing is, and that's more relevant for now, is that at some point of time, once a manipulated crypto starts crashing, it will have those second or third rallies in which the price actually becomes very bullish, and then afterwards continues falling again. And I think that's what's happening right now. Now, obviously, something else could be at play right here, so that this is actually bullish momentum and that it will consolidate. But for now, there's no indication of that yet. What we're seeing is that Bluzelle has respected the 0.5 fib of the move down. There's still a lot of resistance where it could get around 16.5 cents with the 0.618 fib. So I do think that the main thing you should aim for Bluzelle right now is a short trade. What we're also seeing, which is quite important with Bluzelle, is that the funding rates right now are actually positive most of the time, which means you actually gain money if you short, which is great. So there's not that much risk if you're shorting this. And apart from that, you can also see, if I quickly can get it up, you can also see that right now, please load. Over the last 24 hours, these are the liquidation areas. It's basically been consolidating at this area around 15 cents for the last day. And you can see that it's basically surrounded with liquidation levels around 16 cents and then around 14 cents. All right, so that is the situation which it is in, which technically is also quite sound, because I would say this is kind of the area which it is in. Perhaps you should say like this, 15.5 and 14.25 cents. And what matters now is which one of those levels is going to break first. All right, I think this is a situation on the short term. It is bullish. Like if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, there's bullish momentum, but overall, I would still say it's bearish. Like if you go to the daily time frame, I would say this is still a bearish market structure. So the thing is that it will either, in my eyes, break above this resistance level right here around 15.5 cents. Which means it will continue up to 16.5 and 17 cents. It might spike higher, but in the end, I think that resistance will be respected. And after that, we'll see the bearish momentum kick back in. It's either that, or we see Bluzelle get that bearish breakout already right now below 14 cents. And then if it breaks down below 14 cents right now, that's bearish confirmation. And then in line with the daily trend, I would also say that it's most likely then that it will continue back down towards the levels around 11.5 cents. And potentially lower. So in general, my bias is bearish. Depending on the price action right now, it could be a little bit more bullish for some time. Like I said, if it breaks above 15.5 cents, but that's something we'll have to see, all right? Because if we take a look at some other statistics for Bluzelle, you'll see that the open interest and the volume are still growing. So that would indicate that it will actually rally a bit higher before dropping down. So for now, that is my most likely scenario. But I'm prepared for both, all right? So personally, I'm not trading anything right now. I'm waiting for that confirmation. And if I get that confirmation of either a bullish breakout, then I have to wait to short, or a bearish breakout, then I will short. Then I will actually enter the market. Now, if you want to know when I short and when I take trades on Bluzelle and in general, consider joining my premium group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my own trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.